All right, guys. Well, Cosmis test fit 2.0. The truck's not that high. It's like maybe like half an inch lower.
What'd you call it?
That's the test fit 2.0 for the wheels.
Cosmi?
Cosmi, yeah, that's the wheel brand.
Oh.
Yeah, pretty dope. By the way, guys, that's Fantasma, aka the owner of the Camaro. In case you don't.
Only see me in reflections.
Yeah, you'll only see him in shadows and reflections because he's a Fantasma, which is a ghost. But yeah, look at that space. There's like no space in these RST wheels. Ridiculous. Thankfully, I found a socket that fits. Also, RST brakes are insane. They're two-piece rotors. It's like a stock caliper with a bracket and a caliper cover. So it's like a half brake kit. Don't know what they're trying to do, but it brakes surprisingly well. So I don't even care. But yeah, let's take it out with Earthquake. Well, guys, so it turns out it's a 3/4 inch drive. So I'm going to have to go get an adapter at the store. Fun stuff. Unexpected evil has arrived.
Home Depot. Perfect timing.
Our favorite Jew, Sly. By the way, he's our financial advisor. So, if you guys need any financial help, he'd be glad to steal your money. Alright, so I would love to buy literally everything here. If only I wanted to spend that much. Financial advisor Sly is gonna cover the bill.
Did you get me or no?
No, you're a Fantasma. You're never on video. But yeah, Sly can just drain one of his client accounts and pay for everything.
That's not an ethical or anything.
So yeah, I think I found the stuff. Right here. Well, that wasn't it. Was it? Yeah, it's a 1/2 inch to that's stupid little size. Whatever. It's like $5, dude. Ridiculous. Whatever. I'll buy it. Mandark. Dude, I love Mandark. Anyways, we're mounting Fantasmas daily because he refuses to daily drive the Camaro. And yeah, oh, there they are. I think they look way more like intense than the stock Fuse wheels that they came with. Look at these things have to be like 60-70 pounds.
No joke.
Yeah.
I think they're that heavy.
Like at least, dude. So like these are 25, so I'd be shaving 200 pounds of rotating mass.
That's insane.
It's gonna get fast. I feel like. I hope so. But yeah, there they are on the red. They look super Gucci, very icy, and as you can see, it totally clears stock brake calipers like ridiculously easily. It's just the Brembos that need like a 2mm spacer, which is annoying. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try them on the white truck now with the 15mm spacers that New Year lent me, so I can kind of get a gauge of how much room I have to work with. But we will be installing these at New Year in a couple of days, so I'm just gonna like transition the video that way, you know, like this useless video and then no wheel installation for you guys. So yeah, we'll move on. Is that a dramatic weight difference?
That's stupid. I mean, a tire is not going to add that much weight as much as that thing weighs.
Yeah, dude,
This is actually kind of light compared.
Yeah, this thing's insanely heavy. When your financial advisor mounts your wheels for you. Only winning trades, by the way. Sick. So, here's a 15mm spacer that I went ahead and borrowed from New Year. So, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the Brembo and see how it fits. And don't worry, I'm not gonna run a spacer this big. It's just what they had, and they don't make spacers like this for trucks. Like you can't get a 3mm spacer for a truck like you can for a Mustang or a Lexus, because you know the trucks run spacers so the tire can be like this far out for a lifted truck. So I'm gonna have to get them custom made. But yeah, 15mm. So
Listen.
5 right there. So we'll see how it goes. All right, guys. So went ahead and put the 15mm spacer on. Pretty fat. Let's see, let me focus it on there. Yeah, there you go. Look at this clearance. So I think we can go down another 5, maybe do a 10mm spacer. But this is close, guys. Kind of worrisome because if you look at it from this angle, that comes out a lot, and that's not gonna look good. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably still run them, but you know, yeah, I guess we'll put them on the red truck for now. Without. Alright guys, so here are the lug nuts. It came supposedly with 32, but I only see 24. Not an issue because that's all I need. So this is about as low profile as it's gonna get. So let's see if it's gonna fit. I hope it does. Oh, yes. We're in business, boys. Let me go get the key actually to make sure it goes on there. There it is. So, ooh, is it gonna fit? I don't know, man. I'll have to do it very lightly. Let me see if my other. So interestingly enough, this came with 2 keys, so that's nice. And I got these on Amazon.com. They got here in a day. So I'll go ahead and link them below. There's $24 for all of them. Pretty reasonable, I feel like. So once again, link will be down below. Just click the link and it'll take you directly to these. They make chrome ones too, if that's what you're into. All right, guys, so there we got it. There we have them, Cosmis wheels, all 4 of them loaded up. So yeah, heading over to New Year now. All right, guys, here we are. En route to New Year. With boost gauges, no boost, at least not yet. But yeah, let's get this baby going. I'm gonna slowly start a transition from the white one to the red one. So let's do it. Sorry for the wind noise here. And they're gonna go ahead and throw them on for us real quick. Get the sign again. Just chilling. Now we're gonna go by stuff. Well, there it is. The truck's looking like a flying saucer. We're gonna go ahead and look at the wheels real quick before we get mounted. All nice and ceramic. Alright guys, there it is. Wheels and tires are all mounted up. It does clear the RST brakes very nicely. I love how it looks. Just I don't even know if I'd put the Brembos on right away, you know? There it is.
Hey, I think I'm gonna need your expensive one.
It's all nice and solid. Fitment's actually not bad. It's not something you can like lower your truck on. Like too low, you'd have to run. Some stretch tire probably, but I mean at this head is good. So I don't even know if I want to throw the Brembos up front anytime soon. I don't want to run spacers, so we'll figure it out. What's up guys, 24 hours later. But anyways, on the way of driving this back home, I was in the brakes and I was like, oh man, like why is my steering wheel vibrating, you know what I mean? I think we need hub centric spacers or something. I mean they're supposed to be lug centric, so I mean maybe it's just the way they tightened them, you know, like, but yeah, I mean it's definitely not the balancing on the wheels or you know, what else was I gonna say? Whatever the other thing that could make your steering wheel vibrate is. But it's not one of those, but truck does look pretty fire. So I ordered hub-centric spacers on, I think Summit Racing. And they'll be here tomorrow afternoon, so gonna delay uploading the video just because, you know, safety. So parking the truck for now, and yeah, pretty flossy. I like it. Looks really good. Anyways, here's the Flex Monster 2.0. 1.0 being the mild Shelby, but yeah. Also check out the clearance of the brakes. So it actually clears stock brakes pretty well, in case any of you guys were concerned about that. Yeah, also might not be putting the Brembos on too soon. I don't want to run a spacer, so I'll just keep them on the side, but these brake more than enough. And yeah, let's wait for the spacers to get here. So a little longer video for you guys today. Well guys, there's the wheel spacers, or sorry, hub-centric rings. They finally arrived. They're plastic, of course. And, oh sorry, that's way too close. Yeah, that looks about right. They're about as big as the hole on the wheel. And I guess this is supposed to be the hub. Cool. Not gonna install them right now, because you guys seem to be really impatient about having truck videos. And, yeah, I mean, I guess I'll just upload it early without putting the what do you call it? The hub Centric Spacers on, and as you can see, I have all of my RST's interior in my garage. So I'm working on it, and I'd open it, but I totally don't have the keys on me right now, and I'm way too lazy. But yeah, once again, there's the wheels. Pretty dope looking. I think the rears are a little too low of a profile. They're actually both 285s. The fronts are a 40 series. The rears are a 35. Yeah, I know it doesn't make sense, but you know, I'm kind of insane sometimes. But I'm gonna end up with like probably a 275/40 in the back or something. But yeah, hope you guys like the wheels. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about them. Chuck needs to be lower, I know, but that's not gonna happen because I need to look at some other things first before I lower it, if I lower it. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Next video will be of I don't know, probably stuff arriving, parts. I do want to make a few more videos for you guys on the trucks. So just so you guys know, after this video, which is the truck video, there will be 2 more Camaro videos. One being me finishing that TA2 GT2 race car, which is technically like just a Camaro shell. And the other one is going to be installing a diffuser and an exhaust on the black Camaro SS 2018. So yeah, this will be, I'll upload this and it'll be 2 Camaro videos, and then probably beginning of next week you'll see another RST video, and then there'll be way more to come. Don't worry about that. Maybe an RCF video here and there. I mean, I do have that also, so keep that in mind. But yeah, I guess I'll try to keep pumping out content for you guys as long as you support me. But yeah, thanks for watching, and you have a good night. Yeah, good night.